Welcome to Gear Era. Today we're bringing you a complete and cinematic review of the all-new Volkswagen Golf R 2026 in a beautiful white color. Let's jump straight into the video. The front angle of the 2026 Golf R immediately shows its aggressive personality. The redesigned bumper, LED light bar, and wider air intakes give the car a bold presence. The R badge and clean white paint make the front look sharp, modern, and premium. This is one of the most striking front designs Volkswagen has ever made. From the side, the aerodynamic lines and sporty character really stand out. The 19-inch R alloy wheels, lowered stance, and smooth body styling give it a proper hot hatch look. Even though it's compact, the car feels powerful and athletic from every side profile. This is where you truly see its racing DNA. Moving to the back, the 2026 Golf R looks more aggressive than ever. The new LED taillights, dual exhaust system, sporty diffuser, and wide rear bumper make the car look planted and performance-focused. The rear design is sharper, wider, and much more dynamic than previous generations. From the front left angle, the aerodynamics are even more visible. The sharp cuts, matrix LED headlights, and flowing body shape help the car slice through air efficiently. This angle highlights the sporty stance and futuristic styling of the Golf R. From the front right angle, the car's road presence becomes even more impressive. The white color combined with the R styling package makes the car look premium, bold, and stylish. The grille LED bar and aggressive air intakes all appear perfectly from this angle. Let's move inside. The interior of the 2026 Golf R is fully redesigned, modern, and driver-focused. You get a brand new 12-inch high-resolution digital cockpit, a performance steering wheel, and a sleek center console with multiple R driving modes. The layout is clean, futuristic, and premium. The sports bucket seats are one of the highlights of the cabin. They offer great support and a true performance car feel. The ambient lighting, soft-touch materials, and refined finishing give the interior a high-quality luxury atmosphere. The cabin feels quiet, premium, and comfortable. Under the hood, the Golf R comes with a 2.0L turbocharged SI engine, producing around 320 horsepower. It's paired with a 7-speed DSG gearbox, launch control, and Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system. The acceleration is sharp and powerful, earning the Golf R the title of a real pocket rocket. You also get multiple driving modes, including comfort, sport, race, and individual. In race mode, the steering becomes tighter, the throttle becomes sharper, and the exhaust sound deepens. The handling is precise, controlled, and one of the best in its class. In terms of technology, the Golf R comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, and a premium Harman audio system. The head-up display and fully digital cockpit make the driving experience futuristic and intuitive. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, rear camera, 360-degree sensors. Volkswagen has ensured the Golf R is both powerful and safe. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly good for a performance car. It works well as a daily driver while still delivering exciting weekend performance. The boot space is practical, making it a smart everyday choice. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Every angle shows precision, style, and true R performance identity. If you want a car that is fast, stylish, compact, and perfect for both daily use and spirited driving, the Golf R is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Gear Era. We bring you premium car reviews, future car insights, and honest automotive knowledge every single day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.